You know, I wanted some Rugrats of my own. With Countess. Well, ain't that a bitch? You know, a couple of little boys, raise them up to be men. Now I got nothing.
What happened in Midtown?
I don't know.
I mean, your team wasn't there, so did someone do anything or say something?
I said I don't know.
Okay. Okay.
How much did the Russians pay you?
They didn't.
What? I went to boarding school. Got kicked out of boarding school because I was a fuck-up.